Before you use a quitclaim deed in Florida, watch this. A quitclaim deed gives away your ownership immediately. Once you sign it, you lose control of your property. But a ladybird deed works completely different. It lets you stay the owner, keep full control, and even change your beneficiary anytime. And when you pass away, the property transfers automatically. No probate. Quitclaim deed equals give it away now. Ladybird deed equals keep control and avoid probate. If you're in Florida and want to protect your property the right way, go to getladybirdeed.com.